Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change the default icon of apps on Windows 11 and folders. Now I don't suggest doing this for apps, but for folders it's absolutely fine. So let's open up a new one of our folders. Let's go open up File Explorer, and let's say on desktop I want to open up a new folder. We're going to write new, we're going to do folder, and I'm going to name it new folder test. From here, what I'm going to do is right click and press on properties. As you can see, this is the tab. We have read only, hidden, all that, advanced. You can change the name. We have sharing, security, previous version, and customize. What we want to come to is the customize tab where we can do it. So as you can see, optimize this folder for general items, document, pictures, music, videos. You can do that. You can choose a file to show on this folder icon. If you have a file inside, you can choose that file to be shown here, which we're not going to do. What we're going to be doing is go to folder icons, and we're going to press on change icon. As you can see, there are multiple different icons you can choose from. I'm talking hundreds. So this is one, this is one, this is another one. I'm going to find one I like, and we're going to be using it. So as you can see, there are multiple. Some are cool, like this one. I think I'm going to press on this one and apply. And now if we actually come right here and press on view, if I can find that folder, there it is. So as you can see, it's the same icon. If I were to change it to this, it would become that. Same procedure applies. Now if you want to make your own custom one, come right here. We can go to, let's do soldier. I'm going to find something where I have photos. I don't, so one of these here. Let's just go to videos. Here. So nothing is here. I think it has to be a certain file type. But anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.